guess what? And what happened? It's computer problem. Look, the keeper brightness mode on. If you press this million times, it won't come off. This is this epic fail compaq FS7600 monitor. This is epic fail. Look, and if you press the power button, and then it goes away, and it keeps back in again, and it keeps back again. Restart it. Here it goes. She's coming back again. It's Microsoft Windows 95 Media Center Edition. This is an epic fail. E-P-I-C fail. Yep. You hear the degaussing coil. It's backing on and off, on and off. You'll press a If you press this OSD-controls press buttons, and it automatically million times, and it keeps pressing select million times, it won't come off. If you press the power button, it cannot be, and we started it, and it come off again, and it come back again too. It gets the brightness again. It goes away. This is a super epic fail. You need to turn off the monitor. You need to turn the power off on the computer. There we go. Look, this is epic fail. You can't see the monitor and we do that. This is epic fail. That's it.